We have a very interesting situation here in that there's about 30% chance of recession according to analysts. And so a 0.5% could actually indicate that the Fed is fearful, while 0.25% may not necessarily be enough to do very much for actual stimulation to the areas that have had trouble because of high interest rates. So what I'd like to do for you today is, instead of having conversation about what if this, what if that, let's go to the charts, because we have something in marketgauge called Big View. And Big View is really basically a series of indicators that let us know if we are in a risk on or a risk off situation. And interestingly, coming into this weekend, everything was a risk off, while the market marched on to the highs. So yeah, this is a head scratcher. So let's see what would make that change.